Hey, welcome. Today we are looking at this incredible Best 1-2 Torsional. It's officially the most talked about item this month. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. Regarding the build, it feels solid and premium. They used high-grade, durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. This offer won't last. Grab the discount via the link below and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.